Entiako Parliament on more class prefect Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin. Ebusia wabe clash with John Mahama any NDC government no enra at the floor of Parliament. Na enye federal agro. Ama media na so TikTokers no abetire wadwe ni nyina fa betting tax ya. His Excellency the President John Mahama and the government NDC. A person almost at the baby no. Afenyo was a he ne ha. Killing ya. Me want you to to the wadwe ama me. Ewo comment section. How Penyah block media. Mes was say demo. Obe like video na da ma put subscribe button na back like beneficial and latest update na back the wadwe de ama me. Ewo comment section so baso. No share for so nya bi ahwe. Before we record that conversation no. Me o ha no bi ma me video say Penyah bibi ko so. Penyah wo hu ya say e dey na say o the Penyah o. O kai say ya ko to abanimo no. Ana Baumia the visionary leader. Baumia Mr. Triketa Okofa buses be ebaye and if an electric buses bus no ene da so no obaye no na ya customize bus no with Ghana flag any ade design the camera na Baumia crowd no by the picture emo ho but e was ya send me video we go ha video na ya send me no Baumia bus no the buy no and I end this for now rebrand e de Mahama pictures na tata ho e dey good ready e dey ni obi nko famra now my rebranding. Let's end this year rebranding and repackaging. Now, you ever be doing come later. Obaka somewhere October mu. Anna eba say NDC government no active a friend of sports fund. At that time no, the sports minister Honorable Kofi Adams. Anna ebeka and wasem. I don't much say because of that no. Yeah, but did you be a friend of sports levy?
Government is introducing a sports fund that will be able to take care of, or we will have a well-structured funding for sports. We do not have that, and because we do not have a fund, just like the way we have for education, for health and the rest, it's actually challenged our supports for what? Sports and sporting activities. Young people qualify, they struggle, they go through all the processes, and you are unable to push them to participate in the competition. So the government have decided to establish a sports fund, a fund into which all manner of contributions will go into the private corporates, the public corporates, individuals, government itself, and through many other sources will be able to put money in there to use in the development of sports.
What is before Parliament now, and does it come with a levy? Because that's a media discussion that the government is
let's work with what is with before Parliament. You see it. Every document that goes to Parliament, you would find it. You can't establish a fund without a levy. Surely every fund must have a form of a levy that contributes into the fund. I can't specifically here say what levy will be approved by Parliament or not. The bill will be laid in Parliament when Parliament resumes, and Parliament will go through the processes to get the act passed, and once it is passed, a legislation will be developed.
No na yede ebe support sports fund no. Emma that time rekwa no Ghana for e cassette aye every say obekaya betting tax any elef ebaye no and this whole position omu ye dede pa kwan ye ezo ye nyifiri ono mo o Ghana for niska as if say na bet as if say bet no Ghana ni bia twa bet na gi ni bet muska we am a bet the new movie twa bi da e di betting tax enya masem but any for money ye solid ground for propaganda ye dede as if say ye Ghana ni bia ye so bet no betting tax by force so twa bet ye ase ye beje obi a betting tax omo ye dede miwa omo no mo kasa no obeka ya 2023 ana Sami Jamfi echo grantee interview or one of the TV stations and hono and come making mention of something like betting tax
at biano. In fact, enya simple Ghana ye be introduce levy enya tax we are looking at something like bet, sports betting. Let the bank be media so sports betting. So to tell you UK 4 years to fund Olympics. How can we put a levy on betting and generate revenue? I bet for sports development fund.
Say NDC government, Omuba Bemu, as Nyami Adnes, Omutumi 2024 election, they will introduce some kind of levy on sporting activities. Etira ayem nwanwa, ese 2024 no, NDC for airbo abainachi with betting tax. Any 11 na ayem nwanwa. If you say me tie lawyers in 2023, as some can ye. Anyhow, when NDC was making noise with betting tax and levy. Na omuhoya menwanwa pa na omuhoya menwanwa in October you know I said Kofi Adams our sports minister about to say betua bet ye betua omuda di be sports levy no Ghana for na esori tia ye e ma na ke nim se busua dan komo no eto akoja din ba se to ntwa ye auto forcing already budget no there was a session in the budget here say na edin komo efa sports fund no ho sports fund na October mu Kofi Adams as sports minister ebe kan wasem say na eyoma hia de eyoma hia sempa be ka ya omo yi levy every one no omo de dum so levy but that is energy sector levy omo de aba next omo say betting tax everywhere e was so nya bibi be sha na it no so sports levy ni enim say ka sports levy no ba ye dede wo ho no eto atwa ba say 2026 budget no ehemu bi ama eno achi no ebusua ekopie mu Ghana Parliament ama officially Parliament pass the bill for sports fund no sports fund bill no pass na enche bia Ghana ni bia no ye beje sports levy we eye dangerous than betting tax say betting tax say utwa bet na we na the year but we the sports levy obi abetua bi enye bet nko obi abetua bi eno anani at the floor of Parliament no minority anyway clash pa na enye clash ketwa.
Speaker, that is virtually non-existent. I have seen that it is giving us a list of sources. And Speaker, with your permission, let me just read. It says that sources of funding, and it gives that proceeds derived from special sports lotteries. Speaker, are we looking at betting? Is that also a way to redirect the betting tax? Are we being real with this? If it is betting tax, we should say, it says 10% of fees and charges accruing from gaming commission. And then it goes on to even say that from sports betting companies. Speaker, the value is just the same. Speaker, it also goes on to say that percentages from tournaments and bonuses from athletes. How? This is not a reliable way of generating funds for our athletes. Speaker, if you go to Accra Sports Stadium and they are playing a game, even Kotoko and us, and the fees that are taken at the gates is beyond 100 cities. Because you may have the park, which is, you may have an empty park. And even the structures from which they even collect the money. Speaker, people end up pocketing those monies. And the tickets, there are tickets that they call them what? There are tickets that when they are produced and they are supposed to be accounted for, Speaker, by the end of the day, you have those tickets accounted for. We should find a more upgraded way, have proper structures, use proper computerized forms. Let us take respectfully human beings from running sports stadia. The National Sports Authority is virtually moribund. What they do is that they give the sports stadium for entertainment activities. I've heard one that is going to be 21st. And that is going to happen. They will end up messing up the place and come and take money to say that they are going to refit the place. Speaker, I believe that we should move away from weaker policies and look at reliable sources of funding. You cannot come and say that an athlete or a footballer should go and struggle and bring you his money or the bonus that he or she has had to come and what? Contribute towards sports development. Look, I won't happy. It won't happen. So that with all this said, like my chief whip is asking me to conclude, I conclude praying that we will re-look at all of this and see the best way to develop our sports. And it should be developed from an angle of a non-partisan basis. We don't have an NDC blaster, neither do we have an MPP blaster. Speaker, with this, I thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Amen.
They also said they were going to create one job with 3 shifts. Mr. Speaker, a government that cannot take care of its 189 cannot take care of the many jobless youth that are seeking for jobs. A government that cannot take care of its 189 in this chamber, Mr. Speaker, cannot take care of the many youths. The backbench in this house are suffering, yet you say you are going to create jobs. When your own backbench have been rendered redundant and cannot go to their constituencies, you say you are going to create jobs. Mr. Speaker, this government is a promise and fail government. Concerned about their own
backbench. I will then give 5 minutes to the Minister for Finance.
Some are coming to Parliament in Uber and taxi. Go and take care of your own backbench. Mr. Speaker, the majority should take care of its own backbench.
Honorable Minority Leader, you said you have concluded.
They have failed their own backbench. Great job for your own MPs. It's not enough to come here with 189.
Honorable Minority Leader.
And Mr. Speaker, when earlier your colleague Adongo was speaking, you were all here hearing him. What Adongo needs is a job. Adongo needs a job, not to do the talk. Mr. Speaker, we in the minority are united in supporting Adongo, who is jobless. Mr. Speaker, yet he is always on the floor attacking the minority, yet he is jobless. By the BOG announcement, he's even lost the only job he has. The Minister for Public Sector Reform has been rendered redundant. Nothing was provided. She is just at Jubilee House doing nothing. The Minister in charge of Special Initiatives has also been made redundant. He is just being paid salary for nothing. What we know is that so much has been loaded at Jubilee House for compensation. They say they are appointing only 60 ministers. But many government appointees, Director of Agric at the presidency, Special Advisor in charge of Agriculture at the presidency, in addition to a Minister of Agriculture, Minister and Mr. Speaker, I am concluding to say that me, I'm a Yakeyu Takambahame Nichumo, Mr. Speaker, I've been Nichumo, Imbo Nichume yo. I'm a bear 24-hour economy. I'm a Malay. Mr. Speaker, in other words, they lied. They lied.
And say, oh, ya Ghana Nina, oh, dear me. Men can't some about them. Men no monsa, men more damn. Margin the whole clear. No crab, I could pay.
My be the whole clear, man. No man, man.
Azar from 4 buying and this year from 4 buying we.
My be the whole clear.
Hey, Nabra MPP are buying introduce our betting task. Mose or more betting Ghanaians. Titune Mabunu. Mose MPP are buying to me creative jobs. Emma Mabunu, some Mabunu Benya Jumaye. Babunu Ninyan Samu, Wakoto mobile phone. Watoni data. And you're banning a Tomano. One football mobile, Man U Liverpool, Real Madrid, ne Basani de Keka home, Wabete, we had in Kunim, Wajinisika, Abani Jibi, Mosi Abani Viagana for Mabunu. And to Moba, Tio, and this Yabak from Fabai, Moba, Muba Trabetin Tassinum. Take it, Azan Satin Abine. We are Ghanania, Medica Catcher said, a hanya. Hey, Abuaka said, Debbie, you cannot crash it all. No crab, I could pay. Ukumina, Chinawunya Minkumi Biu.
Okay, we know one Tiasia, I want a headache.
Musamuba, Batten tax, Muba Traman Payampa, Muchamu. Muchamu, Afemaya, Abusumin Siamaya. Mudi mirika kwa mayi mraso bjafie akole bill e wo mayi mraso bjafie be amode koye owura Kofi Adam sports minister ne de koye e di asamo a sports betting levy sports betting levy na amode akobe na amode akono ye di tumu a abeye mra MPP de na tax mode levy ni nyina ye pe tax levy difference nim Kwakwa de deba omunyina akrobofo ma
na mpanyifo tumi twa trosa
mu batutu maburu botoma wi o musika from botom
ne ka na da hodo
by extension and so sports betting levy no utie mi atemiye pa sa wo bete teams mienu bobo na bete na wudi a sika benya no aban ne bagi bia se from botom enti betting tasa MPP introduce you no amu se enye papa motwam no we amode ba na eden omu ye kejeti akromfo wo wiaw no atiama awio na scanning botom
if it is foolishness it is foolishness
mama for an nation botom amu pa wi no wa wi ade no wo se pa obi fufura wi
Wait.
Who pay MPP abayawi?
Wait.
John Tio. And this is for Muntie.
Wait.
Momo ba no. Musemo de sports betting levy. Esia koma imra. Nani ya utwa ba kunu ye den. Wo da Ghana for jama ka cho say abano ne ho beda ho.
Oh, the whole bed the whole brutal.
Yeah, ma ba ni chance. And this about memo mo chance o.
ye kan we aso be reset o man
Moboa.
ye kan we aso be reset o man
Ya ba chimo gina ho.
Oh, the whole bed the whole brutal.
Ebema Ghana for hu ndokra. Samu ye nkontompo fo. Mo ye damerama fo. Mo ye azan, mo ye set, mo ye akromfo.
na mpanyifo tumi twa trosa mpanyifo so tumi twa trosa
Na wei baby aye kwenka ye se ne bobra.
Wait.
Aban bia betra kunwa so wo se ne de na oye no wo bo Ghana fo kro no o mo ya akromfo MPP aban ya akromfo aban na wo aban papa wo ye pope ahun samienu ebom a wo je communion no se de aban ne de ba ya enye no eno an wo twam no wasan de aba wakoto ne din foforo pentimamento na ade breye.
I think on this point.
I don't say ye nkurase fo okrom ha.
I think on this point.
Ana eni afra ne ye nwene.
I think on this point. Yes.
Yeah, you can't take us for granted.
Born na ye kasa o munten
But John Mahama buying no essence of the sports betting tax no baby. Ebusua enche kra na NDC buying no emeti ase se omo a present a bill ewo a cabinet meeting omo pese aban no egitum na omo eti fund bi a friend sports development fund sa eto na omo ebebo no omo ne peboa sports activities ewo oman ni mu na ebusuan for Ghana for ebisa ase na eto na sabe for to na omo bo no ehimfa no benye sika de egum eno na sports minister Honorable Kofi Adams the reporter of presenting my parliament no and yewra Honorable Ahmed Jerry Shaib member of parliament for Wejagbawi Ewremu enom yehu se sa fund na ye betie no aban no edne se be bosika sports betting mo amutwa bet no mo musika no ena ye bebo foto no na ye de sports development fund abusan for menko parliament yenkoti ensema Honorable Ahmed Jerry Ekai.
Speaker, that is virtually non-existent. I have seen that it is giving us a list of sources. And Speaker, with your permission, let me just read. It says that sources of funding, and it gives that proceeds derived from special sports lotteries. Speaker, are we looking at betting? Is that also a way to redirect the betting tax? Are we being real with this? If it is betting tax, we should say, it says 10% of fees and charges accruing from gaming commission. And then it goes on to even say that from sports betting companies. Speaker, the value is just the same. Speaker, it also goes on to say that percentages from tournaments and bonuses from athletes. How? This is not a reliable way of generating funds for our athletes.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!